Yep. And I think the two biggest fears are generally they fear the safety of the vaccine and how well it's going to work. And I think that's common in any new medication, any sort of thing that we derive from a clinical trial, whether it be the COVID vaccine or anything else. And I think people are worried about that, about vaccines in general. We know people have fears about vaccines in general. So I don't think there's anything new. I think what's unique to this is the fact that it's a quicker timeline for vaccine development than other vaccines in the past. And so I think people are concerned that there are steps that may be skipped or rushed, and but there's no evidence that that's actually going on at all. In fact, we're running the same process. It's just working together. Just to kind of go through how normal or historical vaccines have been, ones we currently use that are approved, are distributed, is that you can place an order, say, from your vendor for your the amount of flu vaccine that you want for the year, and you purchase it and it's delivered to you, and then you to the disbursement site for patients. I think what we don't know yet for this is how that process will go. I don't think it's been developed yet because the vaccine is not developed. But again, it'll be similar in the fact that there'll be sites to which it's dispersed so that it can be dispensed to patients. In terms of what sites those are and who will be first priority, that has not yet been determined. There's been some discussion about high risk patients, essential frontline workers, but again, that hasn't been 100% decided, and eventually that'll be decided by public health officials and clinicians and scientists most likely.